We do not hire just traditional, what I would call warranty representatives who, you know, look at your problem and then write work orders to trade partners to solve your problem. Most of the folks who work for me are skilled handymen in and of themselves. They might have owned their own company. They might have worked in the trades. And so about 70% of the things we look at, we're able to self-perform and complete ourselves. Your typical customer who calls within the first 90 days, most of the issues are small. They're drywall repairs, nail pops, you know, paint touch-ups, those sorts of things. And so we're able to complete all those things ourselves. And because we can do that, we can complete the request in 7 to 10 days. And then to take it even a step further, we will visit those homes during a seasonal maintenance visit. And that's 4 times a year that we do that. And in that visit, we'll actually be the ones who identify those concerns and complete them at that visit. So we're so proactive in the fact that a lot of our customers don't actually have to turn in a service request.